Welcome friends of class 11 science. Today's topic, the further topic of motion in one dimension is relative motion. Okay. First, we try to understand the concept that how motion is relative. Okay. Let us first of all notice this topic itself, motion and relative. Motion, you very well understand what is motion, that when an object is changing its position with respect to surroundings in time, the object is said to be in motion. And the term relative, see, relative means the same body having different relations with other bodies. Say, suppose if you take my example, my relationship with other fellows around me are relative. To some people, I am a friend. To some people, I am an uncle. To some people, I am a teacher. And to some people, I am a student. So, my relation with different people is different. In the same way, the motion is also a relative term. That means a body in motion can have different relations with different bodies. To clearly understand this, let us take a look at the below picture. Now, if you see in this picture, there are few stationary things like trees, bushes, and there is a trolley. In this trolley, there are two people, A and B, and outside the trolley, there are two more people, C and D. Now the trolley is moving at a speed of 2 meters per second, and there are two people sitting inside it. So if I ask a question to B, that what is the speed of A according to you? The answer of B will be that according to me, the man A is at rest. Okay, the same thing happens when two people moving inside a car or a train. If you ask one of them that what is the status of the other person, he will definitely say that he is at rest as compared to me. So as compared to B, body A is at rest. So according to B, A is at rest. But if the same question is put to C, that C, tell me what is the status of A, what his answer will be? His answer will be according to his observation, and his observation will be that object A or person A is moving towards the right side with a speed of 2 meters per second. Okay, the answer of C will be that A is moving in this direction with a speed of 2 meters per second, because this is what he observes. Now again, if the question is made to D, that D, tell me what is the status of body A according to you. Now D himself is running with a speed of 1 meter per second. So what he will notice, that the person A is moving towards right side with a speed of 1 meter per second. Clear? Because D himself is moving with a speed of 1 meter per second, the apparent speed of body A according to D will be 1 meter per second. That means he will observe that A is moving away from him towards the right side with a speed of 1 meter per second. Now, for the mathematical analysis of this, I have chosen some directions. This number line, as you can see, this is origin, this is the positive direction, this is the negative direction. And now the speeds of these different bodies, A, because he is moving in trolley moves at a speed of 2 meters per second. So speed of body A is 2 meters per second. Speed of body B is 2 meters per second. Speed of body C is 0 because he is at rest. And speed of body D is again what? It is 1 meter per second. Okay, this is what is actual motion of bodies A, B, C and D. These are the actual motions of bodies. Now, if I write this term VAB, then what is VAB? See, VAB is the speed of body A when observed by body B. Okay, VAB is the speed of body A relative to body B. And how do we calculate it? The calculation is simple. It is simply VA minus VB. And what is VA? It's 2. VB is 2. So the relative speed is 0. That means with respect to body B, body A is not moving. Again, the same question is asked to body A. VBA. What is VBA? VBA is the speed of body B with respect to A. If you put the question to A, then what is the speed of B? You will say it is 0. And when you calculate it, VBA is equals to VB minus VA. Put the values, what you get is 0. So according to body A, B is not moving. According to body B, A is not moving. But when you include C in this scenario, you are asking C, what is the status of body A? What is it? It is VA minus VC.